Jammu and Kashmir has reported 278 COVID cases, and to monitor red zone areas, the crisis response team of Jammu and Kashmir Police has deployed drones. Now, here's a report that's been filed by my colleague Tejinder.
To keep an eye on the red zone areas, the Jammu and Kashmir Police's crisis response team has deployed drones. We are showing you these visuals from one such containment zone, red zone, that has been contained in Jammu and Kashmir. We are right now standing outside the Kalika colony in the heart of Jammu city, and this area has been declared as a red zone, a containment zone. And the crisis response team of Jammu and Kashmir Police has deployed drones to monitor the activities of this area. If my video journalist could show you, you can see that this is the police officer here. He's keeping an eye on the activities, whatever is going inside this red zone. If Gaurav could follow me, Gaurav could show you. You can see that the drones which have been deployed, you can see that the entire area is being monitored by the drone operator here. He wants to see whether the people are abiding to the lockdown, whether the people they are maintaining social distancing in the area. This is the area that has been declared as red zone, containment zone by the authorities. There are several such containment zones which have been declared across the Jammu and Kashmir because the positive cases have come out from these places. One positive case has come from the Kalika colony area in the heart of Jammu city, and which has been declared as the red zone. Now the crisis response team of the Jammu and Kashmir Police is keeping an eye on the activity inside these red zones because the police personnel, they cannot enter without personal protective equipment. Though the essential services, the people associated with the essential services, they are allowed to go inside, but they are also wearing the personal protective equipment so as to save themselves from the coronavirus. So far, more than 280 cases have been tested positive across Jammu and Kashmir. Around 65,000 have been placed under surveillances across the entire union territory of Jammu and Kashmir to ensure that the outbreak of coronavirus is contained in Jammu and Kashmir. And you can see right now this area is being monitored using the drones which have been deployed by the crisis response team of Jammu and Kashmir Police. And you can see that the entire area has been declared as a containment zone, a red zone by the authorities, and they are keeping an eye on all the activities. People are being told to stay indoors, not to come out, not to indulge in any type of activity. So you can see, if Gaurav could show you, this is the drone that has been deployed by the authorities to keep an eye on all the activities. The people, they are stopped. If Gaurav could show you, you can see that there is also heavy deployment of Jammu and Kashmir Police. The CISF is also deployed here so that the lockdown could be forced here. The people should not venture out of their residences. The people have been asked to maintain social distances, and now drones have been deployed into service to ensure that people maintain social distancing and they don't come out of the red zones.